Hey everyone, welcome back. This is the final video in the 4 basic operations series. We have covered addition, subtraction, and multiplication. And today we're closing it out with division. Division is the one operation that tends to intimidate people the most. Not because it's hard, but because long division has a lot of steps, and most people were never shown why those steps work. We're going to fix that today. We are covering what division actually is, all 4 vocabulary terms, the long division process from scratch, what to do with remainders, and we'll finish with word problems in practice. Let's get into it. What is division? Division is splitting. You take a total amount and you break it into equal groups. The question division answers is always the same. How many in each group? Or how many groups can I make? Say you have 12 apples and you want to share them equally between 3 people. You split the 12 into 3 equal groups. Each group gets 4. That's division. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. The division sign tells us we are splitting, not combining, not removing, and not scaling, but splitting into equal parts. Now the vocabulary. And there are 3 terms here. The number being split is called the dividend. The number you are dividing by, the size of the groups, or the number of the groups, is called the divisor. And the result is called the quotient. Say those with me. Dividend, divisor, quotient. 20 is a dividend. 5 is a divisor. 4 is a quotient. On the test, if they ask for the quotient of 20 and 5, you divide. Quotient is the most tested division vocabulary word. See it and divide. So just like subtraction, division has some important rules that separate it from addition and multiplication. 4 rules you need to know. Rule 1. Division is not commutative. The order absolutely matters. 12 divided by 4 is 3, but 4 divided by 12 is not 3. It's a fraction. Completely different answer. The dividend always goes first. The divisor always goes second. Rule number 2. Division is not associative. The grouping changes the answer. We will not run through the full example here, but just know, you cannot regroup division problems like you can with addition or multiplication. Rule number 3, and this one's very critical. You cannot divide by 0, ever. Here's why. Division asks how many groups of the divisor fit into the dividend. How many groups of 0 fit into 12? There is no answer to that question. 0 groups of 0 can go into any number infinitely, or not at all. Either way, it's undefined. Mathematically, it simply does not exist. And rule number 4, 2 quick ones. Any number divided by 1 equals itself, and any number divided by itself equals 1. These show up in algebra constantly. All right, it's time for long division. This is the part most people dread. We're going to go through it one step at a time, and nothing will be skipped. 952 divided by 4. We're going to use a process called DMSB. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. 4 steps, repeat until done. DMSB. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Keep that on screen. We're going to use it every single step. Step 1. Look at the first digit of the dividend. That is 9. Can 4 go into 9? Yes. 4 goes into 9 2 times. Divide. Write 2 above the 9. Multiply. 2 times 4 is 8. Write 8 below the 9. Subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1. Write 1 below the 8. Bring down. Pull the next digit down. That is 5. It comes down next to the 1, giving us 15. Now repeat. DMSB. Can 4 go into 15? Yes, 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. Bring down the 2, giving us 32. Last round. DMSB. Can 4 go into 32? Yes, 8 times exactly. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 minus 32 is 0. Nothing left to bring down. So our answer is 238. 952 divided by 4 equals 238. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Every single time. You want to verify? Multiply your answer by the divisor. 238 times 4 should give you back 952. It does, and you're done. What happens when division does not come out evenly? You get a remainder. 75 divided by 4. Let's run it through DMSB. 4 goes into 7 once. 1 times 4 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Bring down the 5. 35. 4 goes into 35 8 times. 8 times 4 is 32. 35 minus 32 is 3. Nothing left to bring down. That 3 left over, that's the remainder. We write the answer as 18 remainder 3, or 18R3. The remainder is always what's left after the last subtraction. And the remainder must always be smaller than the divisor. If it's not, you did not divide enough times. That is remainders. Simple once you know what to look for. Same strategy as every other operation. Learn the keywords that signal division. Quotient, split, divided by, per, each, equally, shared, groups of, how many in each, how many times. When you see any of these, divide. Per and each are especially easy to miss. Anytime a problem gives you a total and asks you what each person or group gets, that's division. Problem 1. A teacher has 144 pencils to distribute equally among 36 students. How many pencils does each student get? Equally in each. That's division. 144 divided by 36 equals 4. Each student gets 4 pencils. Problem 2. A factory produces 2,450 parts in 5 days. How many parts per day? Per day tells us we are finding a rate, a daily amount from a total. 2,450 divided by 5 gives us 490 parts per day. 4 problems. Pause, work them out, and come back. Problem 1. 84 divided by 6. Problem 2. 963 divided by 9. Problem 3. 748 divided by 4. Problem 4. A warehouse stores 3,200 boxes across 8 equal sections. How many boxes are in each section? Pause now. Problem 1. 84 divided by 6. 6 goes into 8 once. Remainder 2. Bring down the 4. 24. 6 goes into 24 4 times exactly. The answer is 14. Problem 2. 963 divided by 9. 9 goes into 9 once. 9 into 6. Wait, 6 is less than 9. So we write 0 and bring down the 3, giving us 63. 9 into 63 is 7. So the answer is 107. Problem 3. 748 divided by 4 equals 187. And problem 4. 3,200 divided by 8 equals 400 boxes per section. So we made it to the end of the series. Let's look at the full picture. All 4 operations side by side. Addition. The answer is the sum. The key words are total, altogether, combined, and all. Subtraction. The answer is the difference. Keywords: less than, remain, fewer, decrease by. Multiplication: the answer is the product. Keywords: times, of, per, each with equal groups. And division: the answer is the quotient. The keywords are split, shared, per, each, how many in each group. Screenshot that table. The words sum, difference, product, quotient, and those keyword columns will help you on every math test from here on out. If this series helped you, hit subscribe. There's a lot more math coming. I'll see you in the next one.